Hey D fam,
What's up? What's up?
how y'all doing?
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
So we're on Bagua Gorge, as you can see by our environment.
Yeah, man.
So we get some new toys and the boys are very eager to try them out. So
Hey, guys.
especially that for 1 year.
Yeah.
Right? So we're on the gorge and basically one of our new toys is our camera right here. So how may I look people? How me look? And he's excited to try out this one.
Pretty much.
Right? So I don't know how to find a drone, so I'm gonna
Look. Where were they? Oh yeah, look at that, Yeah. Alright, so Jaden, where you want shoot the drone, you know? Jaden, where you want to take off the drone, you know? Alright, alright, let's connect it. Hold on.
the name don't start it
Hold on. Alright. Careful. Guys, just want to tell you about Iko Messiah, upcoming gospel artist. He has a new single, Last Days, out on all major streaming services, September 27th. So guys, go and stream his single, right? Link to his Vivo and his Instagram are both in the description. So go and subscribe and follow him, alright, on YouTube and Instagram, right? Iko Messiah, Last Days, boom tune, guys. Go and check it out, alright? Look at us. Yeah, you know. Guys, to be honest, me not so fully grasp the light. So like when the drone come towards me, it's like everything flip, right? All the controls flip, so it's kind of confusing sometimes. You know?
So guys, how am I looking? No sir, I look nice. Oh my god! Yeah guys, so we got a new camera. We're gonna list it in the description below so you guys can see what we got. But yeah, it's nice. Oh, me look good. Me look clear. Y'all can see me. Yeah. So this camera is just awesome. And this is like Adrian stuff, right? So Adrian does in a him drone. He's in a zone, alright? This is the first time I've been this close to the Bagua Gorge. I mean, I'm getting brave, y'all. I'm getting brave. Alright? Alright guys, so it's the ultimate test of our captain. The Delbrat family captain is about to land our aircraft.
Yeah.
Alright?
Now bring it in. It has a low battery now too.
You see?
Yeah, it has a low battery.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, so the battery are dead now. So.
Alright, so let's get this.
Alright, we'll bring it down. We'll bring it down. Alright. Landing time, landing time.
Woo. Yeah, baby.
Woo.
Safe landing.
Yeah, man.
Woo.
Alright.
And the crowd goes wild. Alright, babe.
Bring me Tina now. Alright.
So guys, this is our little escapade. I don't know how long this video gonna be, but this is just us having fun.
Yep.
Alright, so watch ya. Look here. You hear that? You see that?
What? What?
You see, there's a bus move. Where you go?
Come here. Watch him around. Watch him. Oh God.
You saw that?
I'll put that in this video.
Of course.
That must go in the video. Like these squad have to see our boogie down. We never see our boogie down yet. And now you're boogieing. You're boogieing. Hey, be careful. You're boogieing.
You already get kicked.
What?